Nothing melodramatic.
Nothing melodramatic. Funny. I knew which one I'd pick even before I went through the stack, but still, I went through it anyway.
How's that funny?
I mean, I just didn't feel in control of the selection process. I dreamt this.
What?
This. You there, me here, this moment. I know this.
You don't have to try and impress me. Those days are gone. Okay.
I told you.
Right. You dreamt this.
I'm altering the way it happened, I think.
Meaning?
Meaning, in the dream, I didn't stop you from hitting me. Thus, the outcome of events changed.
Well, then what happened?
Well, you sat on the couch, crossed your left leg over your right, put your hair up into a ponytail, and then a timer went off.
Food's ready.
Cause you're chasing the hurricane, taking